Escape to serenity. Welcome to the Garden House, the ultimate sanctuary at the Premiere Hills, an exclusive residence with a private courtyard and a lush backyard garden. The downslope type features a grand 2-story front, transitioning to a 3-story rear for the perfect balance of elegance and intimacy. The upslope type offers a unique 2-story front, rising to a 1-story rear. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the flower terrace, a breathtaking landscape masterpiece by Palmscape Singapore. Unwind at the hilltop escape, where every glance offers stunning panoramic views and every moment feels like a peaceful getaway. Enjoy free lifetime membership to the exclusive clubhouse complete with premium facilities. The Premiere Hills Samarinda, a world-class home resort
by Agung, Podomoro.